Yeah, scoop him. Scoop him.
Hey! There you go.
Yeah. So how'd that feel, Pharaoh?
Oh, God, it was too tough.
Yeah.
Too tough.
Well, since you're almost ready, I guess I can push you guys out and you can go in the eddy.
I was going to follow you. I guess I could just back up in the eddy.
Yeah.
I was going to follow your path past the log.
Ah, yep, I'm good with that. I'm just going to stay left like I used to.
Yeah, now you're going to try to go to the outside?
No, not going to the outside.
Yeah, I think if you're going to go to the outside, you got to make that decision early.
Yeah.
Because that's, honestly, until this year, last year, I only made it to the left of it once. Every other time it kicked me right to the outside around it. And the only problem with that was that overhanging tree.
Yeah. Yeah, at least that's not there. Well, who's riding with Chris here?
Yep, it's us.
And you can move whatever you need to move around, You'll be sitting down facing forward. So yeah, you can, there's life jackets there if you want to wear a life jacket. Any of that that's laying there, you guys can tuck back up in there.
Team Apple, get in.
I'm probably gonna oar out here, Chris, and anchor for a minute so I can rig up some stuff. Oh, I guess somebody might have to get out.
Oh, I guess that's gonna be me.
Come on, big guy.
All right, you're good. Well, I got a spinner. I brought a spinner rod.
Okay, nice.
Extra one. I just gotta rig it up real fast.
The long way around. Those nuts out of the water.
Yeah, I ain't going nut deep, that's for sure. Too cold for that. You're good. Pop in. So I'll rig up a trout rod for you. What was your name again, brother?
Pete.
Pete. I'll rig up a trout rod and a steelhead or salmon rod too.
I'm a total noob, so I'm just happy to be fishing.
Awesome. Where are you from?
San Francisco.
Nice, nice. You grew up here with Chad, or?
No, we've known each other for probably over 10 years now.
Nice.
We worked together a long time ago.
Nice.
At Vivo. Yeah, Pete was the door guy. I think I told you the story.
Faintly, yeah, faintly. And when fishing these spinners, if you're fishing the current, you don't want to cast down current. Otherwise, your spinner is just going to stay up towards the surface. You want to cast, if you're casting like in this stuff, you can cast wherever you want.
Yeah.
But once we get floating and kind of cast out to the side and let the current kind of swing it and reel very slow. Keep your rod tip down. If you feel bottom at all, just lift your rod tip up and keep reeling. Or you could just reel faster with your rod tip down, whatever one makes you feel more comfortable.
Don't let it bottom.
Yeah. But, and no big deal if you lose spinners. I'm not worried about it. I have a plethora of them, so no stress when it comes to any of that. It's all part of it. Losing The river is all part of it. Don't let it get you frustrated if it happens over and over again. I feel like a guide.
Yeah, you are. This guy was the first 6 months. Tying on my nose.
I got you addicted though, right?
I've been fishing my whole life. Like,
Well, I mean the steelhead.
I gave them a stank. They got the stank over there.
A stank.
You're full of stank.
As long as it's not the Huba stank, man.
Alright, we can just sing.
Oh yeah, yep, yep.
Row, row.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Yeah, I should have brought a bunch of stickers and stuff for you guys. Well, I'm sure we'll fish before.
tomorrow too.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of them.
Nice.
That's the only product of yours I have. I don't have any.
You ask and you will receive.
I just steal them out of your tackle box.
You're right.
Steals them like the beads, especially the women. Soft.
Summers like them too. It's just there's just not a lot in the river right now. It's the only reason why I haven't really been with it. There's a trout rod. Yep. Most fish are territorial, so whatever comes in their little area.
I fucking forgot to take my spawn bags out of my cooler and left it in the garage.
Oh. Nice marinated.
These no flies got in there, no maggots or anything.
That's plus.
I'm sure you've done that.
Oh yeah. Plenty of times. My last incident was when my bait fridge took it. I didn't know. Went out there and it was just off. I was like, oh, that's great. What do you, I should toss a yeah, I think I'm gonna toss one of these on there. I'm gonna toss a steelhead spinner on there, but there's just not enough steelhead. I think there's more.
I catch plenty of salmon on steelhead spinners.
The what?
I catch plenty of salmon on the steelhead spinners.
This is a small one. This is like this size is all around. Let's do that.
A couple trips ago, I found it in the boat.
All right, there's your salmon rod.
Okay.
You scallywags ready? We were floating down this part, and Chris wanted me to show him how to go down this part over here. So I was like, yeah, just let the river take you over there. We went right up on it, rail slid on the log. It was hilarious. I was like, wow, that's a good first lesson there to avoid the log. Just do a board slide down it.
And then I fucking lost an oar in the water.
Yeah, same day.
Stuck in a tree. I had to go fucking swimming for it.
Yeah, it's cast straight over towards that shore, Pete. It's like straight over there. Hang on. Hang on.
That's fine. Big old spring right here.
Bring a what?
Fish collar?
Fish what?
Collar? Fish collar?
Oh, fish collar. Yeah, yeah. Yes, please. Yeah. So what do you guys think?
Nice.
Awesome.
I like this a lot. I could see myself doing this every day.
Here, I don't know if I could put a package of it.
Definitely relaxing.
What is that?
Mayo and mustard.
Condiments?
Condoms.
Whoa.
You're used to eating
Yeah, you
condoms.
gotta have protection.
What are you guys doing, man? There's no girls around here. You know that, right? Yeah.
Wait, you guys got just two?
One keeper. He's gonna be eating good now.
Jason, where are you thinking about anchoring at Doris?
I'm just gonna pull over in the right on the side of the swirly anchor and rig up.
Oh, okay. Oh, your stuff's not ready? Gotcha.
Just gonna huck spinners the way down there and then wait till I get there to rig up.
Harold caught a rock.
Oh, you got it all good.
Still up there.
Nice.
He's like, why is it so heavy?
Yeah, that's the good luck rock.
Those spinning rods are kind of all-purpose.
Just feels better to catch a trout on a trout rod, pretty much. It makes it feel like it's big, but it's really not. Yep. Wonder if we can make it through this little spot right here. I don't think we can.
Doesn't look any worse than the one we did earlier.
Because it looks super trouty over there. Like in that shade right there?
Yeah.
That looks troutersons. That looks very steelheady. Oh, that looks nice. Right. Right in that shade over there. Sure looks good.
It's so windy.
Huh?
It's so windy, my cast isn't even really going anywhere. Rod. This one.
Yeah. Yep.
Big blue are.
It's huge.
Fish, he sees a fish.
Did
he get it?
No.
Did he get it? That's so rad, dude.
Okay. You got it. Yeah. Oh, he dropped it.
Like, don't bother me.
Jesus. Thing is creepy. Yeah, there you go. Where's your buddy at?
Farrell, come here. Come here. Come here, fast.
Hurry. Grab it. Just reel it slow. Are you left-handed? Oh, okay, cool.
Keep it tight. If he wants to run, let him run.
Yeah, just keep tension on it. Yeah, just keep tension the whole time and let it do its thing.
What do you guys think that is?
Huh?
What do you guys think that is?
It's Chinook salmon.
Yeah. He's just... Yeah, just keep it tight and he'll start coming to you and reel it in when he does. If he wants to run, let him. Keep your rod tip up.
The jumper from earlier?
I don't know. Yeah, once he stops pulling, just start reeling slow. And then when he starts pulling again, stop reeling and just repeat the process.
You can reel some, dude.
Yeah, I know, but he's really fighting.
Okay. As long as you keep that hook tight, you're good.
Yep. I'm pretty sure he's hooked good. He nabbed it.
Nice.
He hit it pretty hard. How's that feel on there? Feel good?
Yeah. How far? He's fine right there. Yeah. Now he's keeping that barrel.
When he gets closer, you just start backing up.
So then when I net him, do I go in the water? Yeah.
Yeah, just make sure he goes head first.
The fish goes head first?
Yeah. First time netter, first time catcher. I like it. Yeah. Hey, what's up, bud?
So,
I started your order.
did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I meant to. I couldn't find your card last night.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here, I'll give you another one. Oh
think
shit!
my
I didn't
wife-
bring my wallet.
I think my wife cleaned off my dresser.
Well, he's gonna get tired.
Yeah, he's good there. Alright. Alright, there he is.
I'm getting tired. Close.
There he is. Scoop him. Scoop him.
Hey! There you go.
Yeah.
So how'd that feel, Farrell?
Oh God, it was too tough.
Yeah.
Too tough.
It was a fight. Oh shit.
Awesome.
Hey, buddy.
Nice.
Can't take a picture.
Gonna keep him.